forging to the front. Up to 200 metres. It's Churchy from Toowoomba, then Ipswich, Gregory Terrace and Nachi in that order. Churchy leads them as they get the bill with 1 lap to go. Toowoomba Grammar in second place, followed by Ipswich, Nudgy and Terrace. Curran with a lovely long stride, following the great tradition of David Hoey and Brett Crew, great middle distance runners that have come from Churchy over the years. Down the back straight, holds onto the lead by a metre from Toowoomba Grammar School. 3 metres to Ipswich, another 5 metres back to Nudgy and Gregory Terrace. And now Curran puts in his spurt, tries to kick ahead and shake off the Toowoomba runner, but he can't do so. And Gibson of Toowoomba is clinging to Curran of Churchill England Grammar School. They hit the straight. It's Churchy and Toowoomba. Churchy leads by a couple of metres, but I think Curran's got enough left in the tank to take it out. A classical display of middle distance running. Churchy first, Toowoomba second, Gregory Terrace third, followed by Ipswich